Task 9. You don't have enough of Jinja? Let's get more Jinja. Yeah, so in the exam, they're going to tell you to download from a sample file from somewhere. I don't have it here. I have built it myself, which is fine. You just download with wget, whatever the path they request. It doesn't really matter. You just download whatever file they want and do it. Okay, let me show you my currently. And let's go back. So let's VIM hosts. I have it already. I hope I still have it. Hosts. And I don't. LES star J2. Interesting. Did I give it a different name? Host.j2. Where the hell did I put it? Is it in the files? Yeah, it's there. So yeah, there you go. I have downloaded it. I'm putting this in the file subdirectory because it's where it needs to be. So this is what you download something that looks a little bit incomplete. So in your case, it's just going to show you have this and a little bit of this. Okay. But this is what you need to have it in the end. Okay. So this is already the final form. So when you download, you should see this here, which is fine. This is like a regular host file header. And you're going to have, in your case, you're going to have a little bit of this, and then just a beginning of the 4 and the end 4. You need to fill in the rest. So let's go back to the requirement. So basically, you need to create on the managed hosts the etc my hosts file, and the contents are going to be like this. So that's the normal header, and it's going to show the IP address of the server and the server's names. So basically, server A is going to have a my hosts file on the etc that host lists all the hosts. You'll see in a second what does this mean. So in theory, this is what the original file before editing contains. Okay, and you'll see the final form, which is something like this. Okay. Okay, so let's go back here. And then we'll just check the playbook file. Okay. So basically what it's going to do, it's going to put this header, and it's going to cycle through all of this. Okay. So it's going to cycle through everybody on the dev. We need to check who is in the dev because I forget. So let's cat / inventory. So it's only server D. Okay. And it's going to list server D. In theory, since only server D it's on the dev, that the my host file should show only server D. So this will work for any situation. Okay. If you want to swap this for the actual server D name, you can, because they only want to see server D. But I have used this Jinja so many times for other projects. I just had to copy paste it. So it's going to list all the members of the dev group. Okay. So if you want to put your server D and only server D will show, it's kind of a cheat, but fine. In this case, I have used this for so many situations for different host groups that I just had it handy. So I just copy paste it and I use it. It's fine. It's going to show all the hosts. In this case, it's going to show all the hosts on the specified group. All. It doesn't matter if it's 1, if it's 20. It will show all. If you want to cheat a little bit, just type in the server D name, and it's one way to do it. Okay. Then we have the main file, which is called the hosts. Come on. Jeez. Okay. This is going to check to see if my host is up to date. This is going to run all the hosts of the dev group with, well, server D in this case. It will deploy the file there, and the template, it's the one within the files and host.jc2, the Jinja file I just shown you. And it will build my host file. Okay, so just run simple playbook, run. Host.yaml syntax check. You don't have to use the syntax check as often as I'm doing it. Not run. Run is the Ansible Navigator stuff. And you don't have to run the syntax checks so many times like I'm doing. I just like to do it. Then you just SSH to server D. Get etc my host, and it's there. Only server D is showing because only server D is part of the dev group. Works. So this is going to work. So if you want to run this on all, just type all, and all hosts will show up, or web servers, and all the web servers will show up on my host. So this will work. It doesn't matter how many machines and what machines they are. This will work for whatever part of the group there is. Dev group shows server A, web servers show whatever servers, and this works every single time. It doesn't work for one situation specifically. It works for whatever members of the group is, right? And it works. So task 10 is done. Like, subscribe, and comment if it helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.